You get paid, and for a moment, it feels like everything is under control. Your bank account finally looks good again. You relax a little. Maybe you even think, this month will be different. But then a few days pass, bills, subscriptions, random spending, and suddenly you're right back where you started. No savings, no progress, no control. And the worst part, it keeps happening every single month. But what if the problem isn't your income? What if the problem is what you do right after you get paid? Most people don't have a money problem. They have a system problem because money doesn't disappear randomly. It follows patterns. And if you don't control those patterns, they control you. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple routine, something you do every single time you get paid that can completely change how your money works. No complicated strategies, no financial jargon, just a system that actually works. Why you always feel broke. Here's the truth most people don't realize. You don't lose money because you spend too much. You lose money because you don't decide what your money should do first. Most people do this. Get paid, spend money, save whatever is left, and usually there's nothing left. But wealthy people flip this completely. They don't spend first. They decide first. The moment everything changes. The most important moment in your financial life is not when you invest, not when you save. It's the moment your paycheck hits your account, because that's when your money is still full of potential. Once you start spending, that potential disappears. So instead of reacting to your money, you need to give it instructions immediately. Think of it like this. Every dollar you earn is like an employee. If you don't assign it a job, it will quit and disappear. The paycheck routine. So what should you actually do? Here's the simple system. Every time you get paid, your money should go in this order. Number 1, cover your essentials. Rent, food, bills. These are non-negotiable, but here's the key. Define them clearly because needs easily turn into wants if you're not careful. Number 2, build your safety net. Before you even think about investing, you need stability, an emergency fund, something that protects you when life goes wrong. Because it will. Number 3, eliminate high-interest debt. If you have debt that's growing fast, that's your priority. Because every percent you pay is money working against you. You can't build wealth while you're bleeding money. Number 4, invest consistently. This is where real growth starts. Not with big risky moves, but with consistency. Even small amounts done regularly change everything over time. Number 5, spend what's left. Guilt-free. And this part is important. You're allowed to enjoy your money, but only after you've handled the important things. That's the difference between control and chaos. Automation, the secret weapon. Here's where most people fail. They rely on discipline. But discipline is unreliable. It depends on your mood, your energy, your motivation, and those change every day. So instead, you remove yourself from the process. You automate everything. Transfers to savings, investments, bills. So your system works, even when you don't feel like it. The trap that keeps you broke. There's one mistake that silently destroys progress. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more, so you spend more. And nothing actually changes. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. If your income grows but your system doesn't change, you stay in the same place. The real shift. This is the mindset shift. Stop asking, how much can I spend? Start asking, what should my money do? Because once every dollar has a purpose, your financial life stops being random and starts being intentional. So next time you get paid, don't celebrate yet. Pause and ask yourself one simple question. Where is this money supposed to go? Because that moment, that decision, is what separates people who stay stuck from people who move forward. If this made you think differently about money, share it with someone who needs it. And if you want to actually take control of your finances, you already know what to do. See you in the next one.